Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Yahoo account without phone number or email. So guys, open your browser and go to yahoo.com. Now this will take you to home page, and what you have to do here is you're going to go to the upper right hand corner where you have the sign in button. So now guys, fill the box with your email and you have to type your password, and obviously you are not going to log in, so you have to click on the forgot password, and now it will give you another option, that is verify your email with a backup email and backup phone number, and it's going to try to verify. So that what you're going to do is actually go below and verify with the account or a email or a code option, then click on I need more option. Now it will bring you the option on your screen, call a premium customer care, and the other one is visit our free help site. So your option at the point is that first option which says that call premium customer care. It will actually provide your code, which means in order to log in your phone or email, so what you're gonna do is just dial the number you will see on the screen and then provide your one-time code. When you get them on the phone, they are going to ask you for your code. You are just going to provide them the code and it will take you directly to your account. So that's the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.